Welcome back. I thought it would be fun today to share everything that we are getting this year for Christmas for ourselves as a family and for our kids. One thing I did differently this year than I normally do is I ordered everything online. Previously, I would do a little bit of online shopping and then I would also go into stores and see what I see. This year, I did a little bit of research online for what would be great gifts for kids of certain ages. And then I thought about what my kids have been asking for and what they really love to do. And I just ordered everything online. I thought it would be so much easier, and it has been, because it just came straight to our front door. And also a lot of stores are out of things. So again, it was just about the convenience of not having to go into stores. And one thing I like about that too, when it comes to staying more minimal, is I then am not going to be tempted by all these little things here and there that I don't really need and aren't on my list. By going on the internet and having a plan and sticking to my list, I can just get through it really quickly and not be tempted by anything else. I will try to link everything down below in the description box in case you want to check it out for yourself or look at the pricing, because I don't have all the pricing written out. But the first thing that we decided, my husband and I, is to get a family gift this year. And I'm gonna let the boys open it, but I think this will be such a fun thing to do throughout the year. It's an ice cream maker. So we do not eat dairy, and non-dairy ice cream is super expensive for just a tiny little pint, or the tiniest little cup of ice cream. It can be up to $6. So we decided it would be great to try out an ice cream maker, and it'll be a fun thing that we can do as a family. So that was the big gift this year. And it was actually not that expensive, but this is what I consider our most expensive gift. And then because we're gonna be making ice cream, we have to store it somewhere. So I got these ice cream storage containers. So this is the family gift, and the boys will be so excited to open this and start using it. My husband is not into going out and trying to find a gift for me anymore, and I'm fine with that because he has no idea what I want. And instead of me trying to drop hints or telling him what I want and then him getting it, it's just as easy for me to just order what I want and then wrap it and put it under the tree. So this year I decided to get myself a diaper bag since I'm due in February. I found this diaper bag. It's super sleek and pretty tiny, and I opened it to make sure I like it. My mom always did this when I was a kid, which is just to get what you want and then wrap it and open it and act surprised. And it is fun to open gifts under the tree. So I got this diaper bag, and then I always like to get necessities and things that we need. I needed some new kitchen gloves, and I love this hand soap from the Grove Collaborative is where I ordered these things from, and I can link that below. But I needed some new gloves and soap, so why not just either put these in my stocking or stick them in a bag, and I'll have one more thing to open under the tree. My husband and I both buy things as we need them, or when we really want something, we just buy it. We don't wait until Christmas or birthdays or anything like that. But one thing that he has been mentioning is wanting to listen to music more throughout the house. So I did get 2 different Bluetooth speakers, and both of them are very affordable. I thought I would try 2 different ones. One I might put in my office, and he can put one, wherever he wants to set up his. But I thought this would be a great gift since we have been wanting this for quite a while. Anything practical that we need coming up to Christmas time, I will hold and wrap and put under the tree, which is kind of funny. I also got everyone in the house, it was just a pack of 4 flashlights. And again, with the practical gifts, I got hair gel and toothpaste for the kids. So each of them will get to open one of these, and of course this will be a shared thing. And then I got each of them their own comb, and these will either go in their stockings or I will wrap them and put them under the tree. And now to the more fun gifts for the kids. I got this, the Floor is Lava game and Twister. They both love playing The Floor is Lava, but they don't have the game. They just take pillows, and I don't even know if they know what they're doing. But I thought we'll try this game out. It was highly recommended for this age group. And then of course everyone knows Twister, but my boys were playing this with, I think it was a blanket we had that had little tiles on it or colors on it. So I thought, let's do the actual game, see how that goes. Here they have a shared gift of markers. They do so much crafting that this was just something that we needed. A lot of the markers had dried out. So they're gonna share this. I might still get a big pad of paper so I can wrap the two things together, and then one opens one opens the other. But we do a lot of shared gifts in this family. My older son was asking for a Rubik's Cube, so I got him that. And I don't know if he really knows what it is, but I'm sure he's gonna be very excited to get this. And then I'm always thinking about educational gifts for my boys, something that will last them a little bit longer than just make it and then it sits on a shelf. We got some of those type of gifts last year that ended up just being decluttered right away because they made it, whatever it was, I think it was like making a spaceship or something like that, and then that was it. You couldn't really do anything with it, and then they didn't want it anymore. So this is something, I got a microscope. Hopefully they can use this for a long time, and I will give this to one of them, but then of course they're both gonna be using this along with all the games. This year I'm trying to keep it very low key and not overdo it. Last year, because of the pandemic, I think we went a little bit overboard on the gifts, and we ended up getting quite a few things that were just not well thought out, and actually we ended up decluttering quite a few things. They were still in excellent condition, so I know some other child or children could use the items, but I did feel like I wanted to really think everything out this year, get things that I know my boys will use, and also some practical items as well. Also, I know this looks very minimal, like a sad Christmas to some people who maybe get their kids a lot more stuff, but my boys do get gifts from family members. So they will be getting gifts from aunts and uncles. They also get gifts from grandparents. So this is not it. There will be more for them, and that's why I want to keep it a little bit more minimal on our side, because I know they are going to be getting those other items. Stockings this year, I just got some candy. So this is what we're doing for Christmas. I would love to know in the comments what you're doing and how many gifts you tend to get. This for us is very, very minimal this year, but we went on a big trip this year already, and we are just trying to keep everything as simple as possible and just get the things we truly want and need. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.